In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively run ads on Meta Business Suite. Whether you're a small business owner looking to expand your reach or a marketer aiming to fine-tune your campaign strategy, understanding how to navigate Meta Business Suite is a valuable skill. Let's dive in and break this process down step by step. The first thing you need to do is log into the Meta Business Suite platform. This suite serves as your one-stop shop for managing all your business's social media needs, from content creation to advertising. Once you've logged in, your next move is to find the Ads or Ads Manager section. This is where you'll handle the creation and management of your ad campaigns. Once you're in Ads Manager, we're going to create a new campaign. This is an exciting step where you get to decide the primary objective of your campaign. Think about your ultimate goal. Is it to increase website traffic, boost brand awareness, or drive engagement? Choosing the right objective will guide the rest of your advertising strategy and help ensure you get the desired outcome. With your objective set, it's now time to define your audience. Targeting the right audience is crucial. After all, even the most creative or compelling ad won't do much if it's not reaching the right people. You can specify your audience based on demographics, interests, and behaviors on this platform. Spending time refining your audience parameters can make a big difference in your ad's performance. The next step is setting your budget and schedule. Meta Business Suite offers flexibility here. Whether you have a little or a lot to spend, you can define a daily budget or a lifetime budget for your ad campaign. Decide how long you want your campaign to run, considering any particular events or promotions you want to focus on. Now we come to the part where creativity takes the lead. Creating your ad creative. This includes choosing images or video, crafting engaging text, and, importantly, fitting all of this into a cohesive visual that communicates your message. Keep your branding consistent, make sure your visuals are eye-catching, and your text is clear and compelling. With everything set up, it's time to publish your ad. But before you hit publish, meticulously review all aspects of your campaign. Check that your targeting parameters, budget, and creative elements align with your initial strategy. If you're looking for a quicker option, consider the Boost Post feature to promote existing content efficiently and effectively. It's a great tool for increasing visibility for the content you've already created with minimal time investment. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on running ads on Meta Business Suite. By following these steps, you'll be ready to launch successful campaigns that engage and expand your audience. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your advertising efforts.